here's our brand new router. They come out with this year. This is a brand new cordless, brushless router from RIDGID. Or what I love about the RIDGID router is the fact that it comes with the edge guide. I have used this edge guide or a edge guide on my other RIDGID sander for a very long time. And it's great for various applications, and I'm glad they include that with the router. It's pretty easy to install. It just has some basically long bolts or long guide rails with threads on the end that screw in to the router itself or the router base. And then from there you just slide your edge guide on there, and it has little tension knobs that let you tighten it wherever you want. Thank you, RIDGID, for including that. Now the router comes with a nice little dust cover port that you can take off. Just take this little thumb screw off. And one thing I will say, this does improve dust collection quite a bit. I'm glad they include that as well. Their router base is one of the better ones, similar to the Milwaukee and the Ryobi that have that little dial to micro adjust it. I like this. I think this is one of the better micro adjustments on a little small palm router like these. DeWalt's has the twist ring, which I also like quite a bit, but I do prefer that little dial there. And then the Makita one is probably my least favorite. It's gear driven and it's kind of sloppy actually. This is a variable speed router. Again, it does have that brushless motor, and brushless motors, if you don't know, are going to give you better battery life and more power out of a cordless tool. And all of these tools I'm showing you today are brushless. And when you get the depth set, you literally just lock that down into place. If for whatever reason this starts slipping on you, it shouldn't, but if it does, you can just tighten that little Allen key up right there and that'll snug that up. I've never had that issue with these, but I have had that happen with the Milwaukee, that you just tighten it down a little bit. This does have a soft start and a brake on it so that it stops quickly. Does have those LEDs in there as well to help you see in low light or tight spaces, things like that. And one thing I really like about the RIDGID is it's very similar in size to, say, the Milwaukee or the Ryobi, where it just fits in the hand better. Now the DeWalt is my least favorite to use handheld because how big around it is. My hand starts cramping after a while, and I don't have tiny hands. It's just that it's just one of those things that's just too big in my opinion that it just makes it uncomfortable. That's why I like these style. If you're gonna have a palm router, it should fit in the palm of your hand. If you know someone or a group of someone somewhere online that would enjoy seeing this tool video, be sure and share that with them. But before you go, hit that subscribe button, or you can check out that next video. I think you're gonna like it as well.